So I wanted to talk to you about the QR code, guys. While we were in Dubai, we had a rough time. We were like, we filled all the forms and then we don't have the QR code. And so when we went to the airport, they refused to let us in other places because of the QR code, guys. So it is good that you know how to get it. Hi guys, it's Princess Suzan. We are here at the airport and we are going home. We are going home. Kenya is my land.
Back to our mother's land.
Yes. So if you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Kindly subscribe and hit that subscribe button. We love you guys. Let's go home. Nini ya?
Today's flight on our award-winning in-flight entertainment system.
Safari yetu hii leo inakisiwa kuwa masaa 4 na dakika 37. Masaa 4 na dakika 37 tukipaa umbali wa futi 38,000 kulingana na usawa.
Should be stowed in the overhead lockers, or use the space under the seat in front of you. Please fasten your seatbelt whenever the seatbelt signal is illuminated.
Oh my goodness guys, look at that awesome view. Awesome, beautiful. So this video I'll be showing you a beautiful view from up in the sky. So let's fly with Princess and I hope you're going to enjoy the view like I did. Oh my goodness guys, look at that. Guys, oh my goodness, this is Dubai. Oh, from up here in this video I will also be sharing about the QR code. Oh goodness, look at that guys, look at that beautiful awesome view. Oh goodness, look at the ocean guys. Oh, I love this so much. Oh Maggie, Maggie. Guys, Maggie, are you sure? This is so excited. This is what I see today. Oh guys. This is what we are having. Guys, do you see the ship below us? Do you see that? Oh my goodness, this is so beautiful. Oh, God is such a wonderful creator. We are just above the clouds. Oh my goodness, this is just so awesome. The reason I'm showing you this video is because I just love seeing the greatness and the awesomeness of God, guys. This is so beautiful. Oh gosh, God is such a wonderful creator. Guys, do you see that? Huh? It's like God is placing each cloud on each place. Yes, oh goodness, oh this is so beautiful. Oh, I just love this. Oh, it's so nice to see the clouds on below you. Yeah, look at that, guys. Oh, we are on top and on top. Princess Suzan is so excited. Look at that. Oh, I love this. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh goodness. Oh my goodness. So amazing. So beautiful. I feel like screaming. Guys, I feel like screaming. Look at that. Huh? Experiencing a turbulence. Eh. Bakit ko na turbulence? Oh, cha-cha-cha. So guys, it's very scary because we're experiencing some turbulence. Oh, so scary. But we are fine, thank God. We are very fine.
For 6 minutes.
Hi, Debbie. We are almost there. We are almost in Nairobi.
Oh, I think Nairobi is cloudy.
It's so cloudy and we are experiencing some turbulence and it's so hot here. And it's so beautiful. Oh, look at the clouds, guys. Oh, we are on top of the clouds and I'm so very, very happy. See the turbulence again. Oh, so scary, but it's so fun. Look how hot it is. Ah, very beautiful, guys.
Unfortunately, I wish you had safe and pleasant flight your time listening. I hope to see you soon on board of one of our aircraft. Thank you very much.
Guys, do you see my Kenya? I had really missed the clouds. Oh, I can see some houses. Oh, look at those beautiful big clouds from Kenya. Inside the clouds. Oh gosh. Guys, do you see that? Wow. Oh, so beautiful. Oh, good.
Imeanza.
Nini? Oh. Guys, we are in Kenya. It's my beautiful land of Kenya. I'm back to my country. I'm very excited. Oh, Jesus. Kwa nini na mimi venye naipenda? Guys, look at that beautiful views. Down, guys, we're touching down. We are touching. Sasa natetemeka. And we are finally in Kenya. Oh, thank you, God. Here we go, guys. We are here. Oh, thank you, God, for journey mercies. Guys, we just arrived home safe and sound. Thank God for journey. He has been so good to us over there. We really enjoyed ourselves in Dubai, guys. I am very so excited and was so honored to be there with my baby brother. It was such a wonderful experience, a privilege, and I thank God for taking us there and bringing us safe and sound. So guys, if you have not watched all of my vlogs, kindly click on the description box and just watch the video till the end. All the episode of Dubai from episode 1 to 12 are just there and they're ready for you to watch them. So I wanted to talk to you about the QR code, guys. While we were in Dubai, we had a rough time. We were like, we filled all the forms and then we don't have the QR code. And so when we went to the airport, they refused to let us in other places because of the QR code, guys. So it is good that you know how to get it. Guys, I'm here to help you. So why should you pay more money when you can just do it by yourself and through your phone maybe? Or even you can even go to a cyber and just do it for yourself. So the first thing you should do, you should go to the Ministry of Health, the Travelloers Head form, and then you fill it. It will be like, so guys, this is the Ministry of Health form. As you can see, you can just fill your name, the gender, the nationality, the country which you're coming from, and then you give your passport, and then you give the details of your aeroplane, and and then the destination when you're going to return back to Kenya, and then you fill in the questions which are given there about the COVID, and then after filling it, then you submit it, and then when you submit it, then you go now and you hope for the government to send you the Q code. Make sure that you fill it because it is a mandatory for everyone who comes to Kenya to have the QR code. Sometimes it takes time before the Q code arrives, so that's why it's good to have another plan B. There's another plan B for all those Africans who are in Dubai. You can do, so many people, they don't know about this. You can just go to the App Store and then you download the Jitenge app. The Jitenge app will help you a lot. All it asks for is your phone number and your ID. So once you give your phone number, your ID, or your passport number, then it will give you a place where you can just key in all the details and then you will get the QR code, guys. I advise you to do all these things before the due day, before the day that you're coming to Kenya, or before the day the day that you are supposed to travel, guys. So this is very serious, guys. Remember, they will not allow you to come to Kenya, or even at the airport in Dubai or any other places, they will not allow you to come to Kenya without the QR code. It is very, very important, guys. So thank you guys for watching the video till the end. You guys are the best. So if there's any video that you liked and you really loved it, kindly remember to comment and give a thumbs up, and please remember to watch the video till the end. Don't forward it or reverse it, just watch it till the end. In that way it will help me a lot. So thank you guys, remember to subscribe.